trial number 4. Well, the wind just really slowed down, but
Hang on, Matt. Hang on. Wrestle that big fish.
well, you guys are moving. I would say at least 18 miles per hour. That's quite the angle. Hey, good job steering. We got. Where's that wind?
God damn it, it's dying again.
Oh no, it's picking up. For a brief moment there.
I mean, 5 more miles an hour and it will probably keep it open.
Yeah. It's been pretty exciting now.
I think the
How you guys feel about this?
concept may be there.
Hey, if you keep steering it that way, you'll get a longer run though.
We need a lighter bar. Oh, yeah.
All right, we got to shut her down again.
All right, shut her down. Shut her down. Shut her down.